Hey everyone, I'm Harley and it's really nice to see you on our channel. Welcome back. And in this video we are going to review YaySwatches plugin that will allow you to create perfectly modern looking swatches in terms of colors, images, or even buttons and radio buttons for your WooCommerce products. So if you are ready, let's start. So let's open up our laptops and start the installation process. For that, go to the backend, then click on plugins and add new. On the search line, simply type YaySwatches. Afterward, click on install, then activate. Or you can go the other way around and click on upload plugin, upload your zip file, then once again click on install now and activate. And it will appear under the WooCommerce tab. When you click over here, you can see YaySwatches, so we can access it and see the main functionality. So first of all, we have variant option settings where we have color, and we can choose types such as button, radio, automated variant image swatches, color or custom image swatch, or drop-down list. When we choose the type we like, we can move on to the next tab, that is Swatch Customizer. Here we have a little preview where we can see how it's all going to look like, and basically the customized swatches, colors or images are going to appear on the product page. We can choose swatch style, circle, square, swatch size, medium, large, etc., border color, active color as well. We can change it and customize it to any color that we would like to see. We have variant name tooltip, which we can enable or disable, and even image position that we can change. Down below we have button customizer tab such as size S, M and L. We once again can choose the button sizes, the button colors, or choose the colors such as the active one, the normal one, and this includes background color, border color, and text color. Then we have single product sold out customizer that customizes the appearance of out of stock variants. We can show out of stock variants, or we can simply hide out of stock variants and make it automatic or interactive. Then we have shop categories customizer, which basically customizes swatches on collection page, and over here we can choose the display on shop categories page. We can choose the color one and then choose the sold out customizer options, choose the style, the swatch size, the picture size. I think the cross one is the best one because everyone can notice that it is not available and everyone worldwide will understand it. We can also choose the picture size and show variant label or limit the number of swatches or buttons. After any customization is made, and if you are happy with the customizations, you simply have to click on Save Changes. And finally, we are at the practical part of this video. Let's customize the variant option settings. I'm going to choose the, color or custom image swatch. Yes, let's go with this one. And over here, I'm going to customize the color. We do not need dual color actually, so let's find out the one that is close to our swatch color. Or we can simply turn off the option of dual color, or just copy the color from over here and paste it over here as well. Both options work. All the other settings I'm going to leave as they are and simply click on Save Changes. Then go to our product from the backend. So first of all, to be able to work with this plugin, you need to set variable product, then set custom product attributes such as colors and sizes. Then you need to set variations for the product. For example, I have the variation for blue, pink and white over here. And only afterward we can customize the YaySwatches setting. We can choose one of these 4 options available, but I'm going to leave it at default. And simply click on Save Swatches Settings when you change anything. Afterwards, let's click on update and review the product from the front end. So as you can see over here, customers are able to see the color swatches, and when they click on colors, they get the product that matches the color itself, which is extremely good, extremely modern, and of course reliable for the customer, and it enhances customers' experience. So guys, this was all I wanted to tell you. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, do not forget to share it with your friends and colleagues who may be interested in this topic. See you in the next video. Bye!